Question number 13 is a kite of area 40 meters square has one diagonal 2 meter longer than the other. Find the length of the diagonal. So this blue diagonal is A and this yellow diagonal is B. So we have to calculate this diagonal, and what we know in here, we know the area of this kite, which is 40 meters square. Area of kite is given. Area of kite is equals to 40 meter square. We need to calculate A and B. Formula of area of kite is equals to half times product of diagonals. So the information is given in the question that one diagonal is 2 meter longer than the other. So if let one diagonal length be x meter, then other diagonal length be x plus 2 meter. Why it is x plus 2 meter? Because it is given in question that one diagonal is 2 meter longer than the other. So if first diagonal is x meter, then other diagonal length should be equal to x plus 2. Now substitute the values in formula. So area of kite is 40 meters square is equals to half times product of diagonals. So first diagonal is x meter and the second diagonal is x plus 2 meters. (40 times 2) shift or move this 2 to the left side, so it divides here by 1. When you move it to the left, it multiplies with 40, and x times x is x square, x times 2 is 2x. Multiply x with x and x with 2. So 40 times 2 is 80, is equals to x square plus 2x, and x square plus 2x, move this 80 to the right side, so it becomes minus 80. So 0 left here. So this is a quadratic equation, so you have to solve this equation by using the formula of x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. So coefficient of x square is a and a is equals to 1 in this equation. Coefficient of x is equals to b and b is equals to plus 2, and the remaining one is constant, which is equals to minus 80. So substitute these values in formula, we'll get x is equals to 8 meter or x is equals to minus 10. So neglect x is equals to minus 10, neglect this value because length should be positive. So x is equals to 8 meter. So first diagonal length is A and A is equals to x, which is equals to 8 meter, and the second diagonal, the longer one, this B, and B is equals to x plus 2. So if x is equals to 8, so what is x plus 2? x plus 2 is 8 plus 2, a plus 2 is 10 meter. So the second diagonal length is 10 meter. So the lengths of the diagonals are 8 meter and this is 8 meter and b is equals to 10 meter. Okay, so question number 14. A trapezium of area 140 cm square has parallel sides 10 cm apart and one of these sides is 16 cm long. Find the length of the other parallel side. So as parallel side 10 cm apart means height is given and which is 10 cm. So the height is 10 cm. Area is also given and it is 140 cm square. We need to calculate the value of, and one of these sides is 16 cm long. 16 and one side is also given and it is 16 cm. But at this time it may be A or B. 16 cm. It may be A or B, but one side is given. So let's find out half times A plus B. So let's suppose this side is B. So A plus 16 cm dot H is 10 cm. And area is also given and it is 140 cm square. 140 cm squares times 2 is equals to A plus 16 dot this 10 cm multiplies here, so move it to the left side. So 0 cancel with 0, 14 times 2 is 28 centimeter square is equals to A plus 16 and A is equals to 28 minus 16. A is equals to 28 minus 16 and it is equals to 12 centimeter. Centimeter cancel with centimeter, so only centimeter left here. So A is equals to 12 centimeter and B is equals to 16 centimeter.